Now that we've configured our scan policy, set up our credentials, and designated a network scanner, it's time to tie everything together by creating a task. To begin, head over to the home page and click on Create New Task. This will launch the Task Creation Wizard, which guides you step by step through the final configuration. In Step 1, Basic Details, provide a unique task name, and optionally, a short description to clearly define the purpose of the scan. Then, select the policy name. This is where you choose the scan policy you created earlier. Once selected, click Next. In Step 2, Targets, define what you want to scan. You can enter a single IP address, a CIDR range, or an IP range depending on your requirement. If needed, you can also use tags to narrow down specific devices or define exclude IPs to omit certain systems from the scan. When your targets are defined, click Next. In Step 3, Scan Settings, select the designated scanner that will perform the scan. Choose the scan type, either TCP or TCP and UDP, based on your network requirements. You can proceed with default ports or define custom ports if your environment requires specific configurations. Then click Next. In Step 4, Policy Credentials, associate the credentials you configured earlier. Depending on the policy type, you can enable and attach the relevant authentication method to ensure the scan runs with proper access and visibility. Once configured, click Next. Finally, in Step 5, Schedule. Decide how and when the task should run. You can run the scan on demand or schedule it daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the appropriate time zone and define the task's start window. Once everything looks good, click Create Task. And that's it. Your network scan task is now fully configured and ready to run. You've successfully connected your scan policy, credentials, and designated scanner into one complete workflow. Be sure to watch our other videos as we continue exploring advanced configurations and best practices for the network scanner.